Hello and welcome to this channel. Here we break down health myths and uncover the facts. Get ready for science-backed insights that challenge what you think you know. Let's dive into today's topic.
Can I catch H5N1 bird flu by touching or eating birds? Bird flu is back in the headlines, and many people are asking, can you catch H5N1 by touching birds or eating poultry? Let's dive into the facts and bust this myth once and for all. What is H5N1 bird flu? H5N1, also known as bird flu, is a virus that primarily spreads among birds. While it rarely affects humans, it can happen in specific circumstances, like handling infected birds or being in close contact during outbreaks. But let's clear up how it doesn't spread. Can you catch it by touching birds? The short answer? Not easily. Touching birds in everyday settings, like petting chickens at a farm, isn't likely to get you sick unless the bird is infected and you're exposed to its saliva, feces, or secretions. Even then, transmission is rare. What about eating poultry or eggs? Here's the good news. Eating poultry or eggs won't give you bird flu as long as you follow basic food safety practices. Cooking at 70 degrees Celsius or 165 degrees Fahrenheit kills the virus. So, that fried chicken or boiled egg, completely safe when properly prepared. How can you protect yourself? To stay safe, 1. Avoid handling sick or dead birds. 2. Wash your hands after touching raw poultry. 3. Cook meat and eggs thoroughly. Simple steps like these keep the risk at almost zero. So, can you catch bird flu by touching or eating birds? Not in the way you might think. The risk is extremely low unless you're in direct contact with infected birds in outbreak areas. For the average person, this is more myth than reality.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe for more science-based health content. See you next time.